now we've made our way back to where this journey started. Okay, now we're on the other trail which leads to Cataract Falls. The same lush vegetation. We pause to view the raw country that has been inhabited for so many centuries, first by Indians and later the mountain men, all rugged and respecting of the land that gives so much. Oh look, it's a little beach. The water is clear and cold. Well, we approach site number 2 on this little foray, and this is a pretty easy trail. So if you're not used to hiking, this one is a good one. The approach is over rocky ground.
Yeah, I don't see how we would have got there from that other trail.
Yeah.
Unless it's up there.
We make Cataract Falls. Yeah, I don't see another.
Or if it comes
Oh
down,
yeah.
So we probably made the right call.
I explored. Film and climb at the same time.
It's really fun to get right up on it.
Yeah. It's cold.
There's no figure too.
Stacy remarked on the specifically pleasant aroma. It makes me think of the smell of snow.
Yeah, right here.
Yeah.
It smells like snow.
Did you touch the water?
I did. I seen it, smelled it, I touched it, but I didn't touch it.
Probably a good idea. This little area that we climbed to get to the falls is actually the creek bed. I don't think this is the creek we saw because it's too small.
liked this trail. It was very easy walking. There was a comfortable bench, and there was an awesome, awesome waterfall.
Back around again. This is where we were coming when we saw the trail. The Sugarlands Visitor Center. Ooh, dark. The National Park Service has put a lot into displays and educational resources. Ultra-modern meets the wilderness in these visitor centers. There's the falls. This one has a 3D map of the Smokies. As well as an in-depth section on the native wildlife.
We have this edge recorder too. Taxidermy is an art.
It really is.
I mean, look at that. That's genius.
A physical encyclopedia.
It's even got a mouse.
Yeah.
Woodchuck. That must have been what was in your...
May have been. How much wood could a woodchuck chuck? You know the rest.
Didn't we already see a trash panda up over there? No, that was a skunk.
Trash man. These guys everywhere.
Yeah, but
Just a few of the things to look out for if you are in the woods. These guys are very dangerous. And a film.
In the temperate regions of the world. In these mountains are more varieties of trees than are found on the entire continent of Europe. Some the largest and oldest of their species. There are plants and animals here that are found no place else on Earth.
National parks are one of America's greatest treasures. Visit them whenever you can. That which is held dear is what is preserved.